Hey, this is Chris from Greensphere, and I am just giddy today. It's not often you get giddy about pest control and lawn fertilization, but I am. We rolled out these mosquito traps just about a month ago. This trap here has been installed in this woods line right behind this fire pit. So in an area where the mosquitoes come from, near an area where people congregate. We've had that in about 3.5 weeks, not even a full month yet. But I got impatient. I wanted to see how it was working. We know that these things work, but I wanted to see how well it was going to work in our area. So here's what I'm giddy about. In this bucket here, hopefully you're able to see it, but all of those black spots, all of that sludge moving around down the bottom, guess what all those are? Those are all mosquito larvae. All the mosquitoes that would have been chowing on the homeowners as they try to sit by this fire pit on a nightly basis. Not only do we have all those larvae in that bucket, the mama mosquito that laid all those eggs, when she landed in there, she got a little bit of that insecticide on herself as well. She then is now not unable to reproduce after getting that on her. She'll die in a few days. But in the meantime, she's gone to other water sources to try to lay more eggs. She's now treated those water sources to kill the larvae as well. So we have thousands and thousands in this bucket. And then all of this woods behind us here, anywhere that those mosquitoes traveled to, they took that larvicide with them, spread it around. We're getting phenomenal control with these mosquitoes. I'm really excited about this. On this property, we have 3 of these pots. So this is only one of the 3 that's controlling these mosquitoes here. This is less than a month. I'm really excited. Hopefully you are too. Let's kill some mosquitoes. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to us. You'll get to listen to me get all excited about killing bugs and hopefully learn something as well. So subscribe to us, like the video, leave any comments below, and I'm gonna get this pot back in the woods and get it working again. All right, have a great day.